G'day viewers, this is Troy from the Troy's Visual Arts channel. I've just been experimenting around with my camera to make further improvements to the picture, and tried to get the rotation and the focusing right. Well, as it turned out, the reason why the picture was rotated was because the focus, vertical and horizontal scanning yoke leads were in reverse, so hence I got a very rotated, strange looking picture. Now that I've reversed them back around again, I'm getting a nearly perfect rotation picture, or should I say nearly perfectly straight picture. Still looks a little bit rotated, but they'll soon be fixed. Anyways, looks so much better now. Still have to fix up the vertical linearity problems and also that retrace problem as seen on the screen. And also it seems to have, the tube seems to have very low sensitivity. It's another issue I've got to sort out. And the focus is still not quite sharp enough to my satisfaction, but the pictures are now a lot more recognizable than they were previously. I've just made some focal adjustments to this camera to get the picture straightened up fully, and the picture is now very much horizontal and very straight. Unfortunately, in compensation, the focus is now way off, and yet when I adjust for best focus, the picture will be a bit rotated. So yeah, there is a bit of a problem in the focusing circuitry which needs to be addressed. I'm now going to have a go at using this camera using a zoomer lens. So I go for focusing using this. Okay, I've just added the zoomer lens. Doesn't seem to make any real difference to the focusing. So what I'll do is I'll adjust the focusing pots for best possible focus, which will make the picture, of course, be a bit more rotated, but for now it's best I can really do. Okay, we've got better focus, but now I'm back to the same old problem, rotated picture. And of course, it looks to be retrace lines, but I think it's more caused by the focus problem. This focusing is actually quite weird, because the fact that when I set the focusing distance to infinity, it seems to be out of focus, yet when I set the distance range to something closer, it seems to come back into focus a bit. With the zoomer lens, when I zoom in a reasonable amount, I'll get perfect focus, but when I zoom out fully, I get bad focus. When I zoom right in and adjust the focus, I will get pretty good focus. This is pretty much the same problem as I have with the Hitachi security camera that I got. Well, in spite of all this, made some pretty good progress so far. Much more recognisable pictures and a bit better clarity. And the scene's still got that vertical stretch as the picture progresses to the bottom of the screen. Something still need to be addressed.